Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to block third-party cookies in Chrome on your PC. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and go to settings, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to privacy and security. Click on that, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to come to third-party cookies. Simply click on here. So it's going to take you to third-party cookies. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then come down to block third-party cookies. And with that, make sure this is enabled, and that's simple as that. So by blocking the cookies, sites can use cookies to improve your browsing experience. For example, to keep your signing or remember item you have in your cart. So by blocking the third-party cookies, it simply means that any website you visit, they will not be able to track you or to offer you an personalized ad or be able to remind you of whatsoever you have done in their site before. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply block third-party cookies in Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.